in the heart of a person who feels the closeness with Almighty God. Right here, in this Shabad, Guru Arjan is giving the same idea. He says, Hum मैले tum ujal karte. O my Almighty God, you are the Creator. We are soiled. We are dirty with the dirt of the vices. We are soiled with the vices, with the demerits. Tum ujal karte, but you are the only one immaculate. You are the only one sublimed. You are the only one who is great. Hum nirgun. I am without any virtue. I do not have any good quality. Tu Data. And you are the one who is the greatest donor. The one who gives. You are the only great giver. Giver to the whole world. Hum Murakh. Me. I am ignorant. Tum chatur syane. And you are the intelligent and wise. Tu sarv kala ka gyata. You are the knower of all the arts. You are the knower of all the goodness. Tu sarv kala ka gyata. You are the knower of each and everything. You are the knower of each and every heart. Whatsoever is going on, you know everything. Madho, hum aise, tu aisa. Madho, O master of the Maya, we are like this. We are the sinners. And you are like that. Means you are the great. You are the great. Hum papi, we are the sinners. Tum pap khandan, and you are the destroyer of all the sins. Niko Thakur Desa. Beauteous is your place. Beauteous is your abode, O my Lord. Tum sab saje, saaj nivaje, jiyo pind de prana. Tum sab saje. You have created all of us. You have created all of the things, whether living or non-living. You have not created only, rather you have fashioned each and every one. Saj Nivaje, you are the one who can create all of them, and you bless all of them, and you bless them with the body and the soul. You are the master of the body and the soul of all of them. Nirguniyare gun nahi koi, tum daan deho meherwana. We are the meritless people. We do not have any merit. And you are the only one who is still benevolent. You see and you know all the demerits of us, but still you do not stop giving us more and more. You do not stop blessing us with all the great good things. This is the greatness of yours. Tum karo pala, hum palo na jane. Whatever you do, it is in the best interest of ours. But the worst thing on our part is we do not realize that. Rather, what we feel that you are the one who is doing worst to us. You are doing all the things which are best interest of ours, but what we feel that everything which is being done by you, that is in the worst interest of ours. Tum sada sada dayala, but still, you are never angry with us, rather you are always benevolent. You are always kind to us. तुम सुखदाई पुरख विधाते तुम राखो अपने बाला. You are the creator, Lord. You are the giver of peace, and you save us, we, your children, because you are the real father of us. तुम निधान अटल सुल्तान जी जंत सब जाचे. You are the treasure of all the excellences, and you are the eternal monarch. Let me explain. No one in this world can be an eternal king or emperor. Kings are there, emperors are there, but they can be the kings or the emperors just for a few years. I have seen the kings, they were there just for a few hours. They were the kings only for a few hours. But oh my Almighty God, you are the eternal King of ours. Why? Because all the other human beings who claim to be the kings, they are the mortal beings. They die very soon. But because you are never dying, you are the immortal. That is why you are the eternal monarch. You are the eternal king of this world. Ji jant sab jache. And all the human beings, all the living things, all the living beings, they are always asking more and more from you. And you are the one who is benevolent and who is always the biggest giver. Kaho Nanak hum eh hawala, raakh santan ke pachhe. This is the state of mind of ours is. Once again, we are filled with the vices. We are filled with the demerits. This is the state of our life is. In other words, this is our lifestyle. We are always unthankful to you. But you always ignore our demerits. And still you do not stop loving us. You do not stop giving us, because you are so kind and so benevolent that you are always a great giver. In the last line, Guru says, Raakh santan ka pachhe. Though we do not have any merit, and we are having a very low lifestyle, but still, here is a humble prayer. Please save us for the sake of your saints. Please save us for the sake of your devotees. As you save your saints, as you save your devotees always, now we are under the shelter of them. That is why please save us for the sake of them. May Guru shower his blessings on us so that we can realize the greatness of Almighty God, and we can realize the demerits of us as well. Thank you very much for joining us today, and sorry for any mistakes. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.